Oh, yes, we noticed that while having lunch, didn't we, Muttley?
Crapper, you'll put what's left back in the waste bin when you're done, right?
Don't worry. There won't be anything left.
Ew. We should go now.
Excuse you. It looks like...
Hi there, Timon.
Hello there, Pumbaa.
Timon, do you...
Fire when ready.
Okay, well...
Right you are, Wilbur. Instead, we'll be using carbonation to fight the birds. Observe. But
The evidence suggests the victim was done in by the snack whacker.
That's made some space.
I certainly did not.
You did too, you gluttonous garbage barge!
It was not me.
Oh yeah? Prove it. Let me smell your breath.
Ich muss ein Bäuerchen machen.
Das war ein ausgewachsener Bauer.
Los, verstecken wir uns.
Wenn ich nur wüsste, wozu das gut sein soll.
Aufmachen!
Ich komme schon.
Schnell, unter die Decke.
Oh, Nick!
Igitt.
Steh auf, David. Das ganze Bett.
Sieht übel für uns aus. Vor allem riecht es übel.
Allerdings.
Code. You could accidentally cough it out. Oh, you could burp it out, you know.
1, 2, 3.
Need I go on? You get the pic.
Nothing tastes better than a victory meal.
we've got...
Way. And look how happy they are.
Wait, what are you doing with that cabbage? Wait, come back! Gross! I can taste it!
Yes.
Oh no, this is bad.
Oh, buns beat everything. What's